Hello, Tiger families, and welcome to the 2021-2022 virtual open house. We are your middle grades language arts team, and we are so excited to get going on school. We're going to go ahead and take a moment and quickly run through each of the teammates so you and your students can keep an eye on what's going on and who is who.
Welcome, Tiger families. My name is Dana Higgins. I will be teaching 6th grade honors in room 1202. I look forward to seeing all of the Tigers next Wednesday. I've been working at Davidson for 17 years and have loved being here. I look forward to getting your student jumping into books and reading and discussion and writing. So it's going to be a great year.
Hello, 6th graders. Welcome to the new school year. For those of you who do not know me, I'm Mrs. Mclennan. This is my 16th year at DK8, but my first year in the middle school. I am looking forward to an exciting year as your ELA teacher. See you next week.
I'm Canelli, and I became a Tiger last December. I was in taught 6th grade social studies. I came from Iredell County, where I taught English for 25 years. So hopefully I'll have some good things to use this year for ELA. I graduated from Meredith College many moons ago, and I live in Huntersville with my husband and daughter. And I can't wait to see you guys next week.
Hi Tigers, I am Mrs. Zayback. I will be teaching 6th and 8th grade honors ELA in room 1107. And I know some of you, I've seen your names on my roster from my neighborhood, but I think this is the first time a lot of you will be seeing me as a teacher. And I'm very excited to get to know everybody. I have 2 daughters that go here in 1st and 4th grade. So I've already been part of the Tiger family, and I'm excited to get even more involved this year. It's going to be a great year.
Gray, I will be your 7th and 8th grade ELA teacher this year. Some of you probably say, whoa, I know Mrs. Gray. Well, that's because I taught 3rd grade, and now I will be a middle school teacher, so I'm excited about that. We will have lots of reading taking place in 7th and 8th grade this year, and I hope you all are ready to get started. I am super excited to see all of your smiling faces next week, and I will see you then.
All right, everyone, it's me again, Mr. Roncone. I started last year at DK8 as the 7th grade ELA teacher, and I'm returning again. I'm also splitting my time between English and social studies this year, so I'm very excited. Some of you will see me around the school doing things like that. I might have you multiple times throughout the day based on homeroom and other classes. I'm really excited to return. This is my 16th year teaching, and I'm really excited to get this ball rolling and us to feel a little bit normal again. Seeing each other's faces and being in person, it really makes the difference. So that's all really for us. We will catch you guys later this week for the first day of school on Wednesday. And we hope that if you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and reach out to any of us. The best way to do so is, in fact, through Parent Square. We will see you all Wednesday bright and early, and we're all excited to see you. Until then, see you guys from the ELA Middle School folks. Bye.
Bye.